Hello students, welcome to Infinity Vision. So in this particular video we are going to talk about effect of temperature on pH. pH का नाम आपने कई बार सुना होगा. आपने कुछ इस तरह का pH चार्ट भी देखा होगा जहां पे आपको ये पता है कि pH equals to 7 is what neutral solution. और जैसे जैसे हम pH बढ़ाते हैं राइट, सॉल्यूशन का जो बेसिक नेचर है वो बढ़ता चला जाता है, या फिर जैसे जैसे pH को हम कम करते हैं सॉल्यूशन का एसिडिक नेचर बढ़ता चला जाता है राइट. ठीक है ना. और इसका रीजन यह है कि जैसे जैसे आप pH बढ़ाओगे सॉल्यूशन में जो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ OH माइनस है दैट विल इंक्रीज, और जैसे जैसे आप pH को कम करोगे इन दैट सॉल्यूशन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ H प्लस विल इंक्रीज राइट. सो दैट मीन्स वी कैन ऑल्सो से कि pH equals to 14 is more basic than pH equals to 12, or we can say pH equals to 1 is more acidic than what pH equals to 3. Okay, but when we are saying that pH equals to 7 is what pH equals to 7 is what neutral, ठीक है ना, मतलब एक न्यूट्रल सॉल्यूशन का जो pH है वो 7 होगा. जब हम ये बात कह रहे हैं at that point of time it is self understood that the temperature is what 25 degree Celsius. That means at temperature 25 degree Celsius the pH of neutral solution will be what 7. तो अगर मैं टेम्परेचर को बढ़ाऊं या घटाऊं, उस घटाने या बढ़ाने से न्यूट्रल सॉल्यूशन के pH पे क्या फर्क पड़ेगा इसी चीज को हम यहां देखेंगे. ठीक है ना. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दैट पार्ट. नाउ जस्ट आई एम राइटिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर इक्वेशन. सी H2O, this is what liquid that is giving you H plus aqueous plus OH minus aqueous. Though it will be better to write this particular equation as H2O liquid plus H2O liquid giving you H3O plus plus OH minus, but fine. Okay, it will serve our purpose. So let's move on. यहाँ पे एक term होता है that is what ionic product of water, right? And that term is represented as what Kw, and that is basically what concentration of H plus into concentration of what OH minus, right? And the value will come what? That value is basically what? 10 power minus 14 at temperature 25 degree Celsius, right? So this is at temperature 25 degree Celsius. Okay, okay. Now see, अगर H2O से H plus और OH minus मिल रहा है, इसका मतलब है कि आपको जितना H plus मिलेगा उतना ही क्या होगा OH minus मिलेगा. That means for this particular equation we can say that concentration of H plus is equals to concentration of OH minus, and if suppose the value of that is x, so from this equation you can easily say कि x square क्या हो जाएगा आपका 10 power minus 14. That means x की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी 10 power minus 7, right? So that is equals to 10 power minus 7 at again temperature 25 degree Celsius, right? Okay, now see this. We know that for neutral solution concentration of H plus is equals to what concentration of OH minus, and from here we can easily say that pH क्या होता है. pH is basically what minus log of concentration of H plus, that is equals to what minus log of 10 power minus 7, and this value will come what 7. So pH equals to 7 is neutral solution of pH equals to 7 for a neutral solution is basically what at temperature 25 degree Celsius. ये क्लियर है. तो अगर मैं टेम्परेचर को घटाऊं या बढ़ाऊं तो न्यूट्रल सॉल्यूशन के pH पे क्या फर्क पड़ेगा उस चीज को हम समझते हैं. Now see, for this particular equation this is delta H will be what positive. That means it's an endothermic process, right? और ये सेल्फ अंडरस्टूड है. अगर आपको ली चैटलिस प्रिंसिपल के बारे में ना भी पता हो तो लॉजिकली भी आप बोल सकते हो कि जैसे जैसे मैं टेम्परेचर बढ़ाऊंगा, ठीक है ना, कह सकता हूं मैं एक तरह से कि ये जो वाटर का जो डिसोसिएशन है वो ज्यादा होगा, राइट? जैसे जैसे मैं टेम्परेचर बढ़ाऊंगा वाटर का डिसोसिएशन ज्यादा होगा और मुझे ज्यादा H प्लस और ज्यादा OH माइनस मिलेगा. क्लियर है ना. ऑल्सो जिन बच्चों ने ली चैटलिस प्रिंसिपल, स्पेशली आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट +1 एंड +2 स्टूडेंट, कि अगर आपने ली चैटलिस प्रिंसिपल पढ़ा है तो ये तो बहुत ही सिंपल है कि एक एंडोथर्मिक प्रोसेस के लिए जब हम टेम्परेचर बेसिकली जब हम बढ़ाते हैं तो इक्विलिब्रियम किधर शिफ्ट होता है, फॉरवर्ड शिफ्ट होता है, राइट? ठीक है. सो नाउ सी कि अगर मैं टेम्परेचर को बढ़ाऊं तो Kw की वैल्यू कैसे बढ़ेगी या घटेगी, राइट? वी विल सी दैट. ऑफ कोर्स जब मैं टेम्परेचर बढ़ाऊंगा तो Kw की वैल्यू बढ़ेगी, बिकॉज जैसे मैं टेम्परेचर बढ़ाऊंगा इक्विलिब्रियम फॉरवर्ड शिफ्ट होगा, यू विल गेट मोर more amount of H plus and you will get more amount of OH minus. So the product will definitely increase and product will be what? Greater than 10 to the power minus 14 when your temperature is greater than what? 25 degrees Celsius. So let's see those values first. So these are what? Experimental values. When you see when your temperature is what? 25 degrees Celsius, this is ionic product of water is 10 to the power 14, right? And here the neutral solution, the pH of neutral solution is what? 7, right? But suppose if you increase temperature, you see the value of Kw is what? Increasing. Here you see the value is what? 5.476 into 10 to the power 40, and at temperature equals to 100 degrees Celsius, the value is what? 51.3 into 10 to the power 14, right? And when you will decrease the temperature, that is what? Temperature at 0 degrees Celsius, of course this value will what? Decrease. That we have already seen in the last slide, right? Okay. Now see. If we increase temperature, right? Okay, so that means I'm assuming that the temperature is what? Greater than 25 degree Celsius, right? So in that case, what will happen? Let's see. So again, you have the same equation, H2O liquid, right? That is giving you what? H plus aqueous plus OH minus aqueous, right? So in that case, when you will write the expression for Kw, that is nothing but ionic product of water, right? That is what your ions are there. So ionic product H plus into concentration of what? OH minus. And now this value will what? This value will be greater than 10 to the power minus 14, right? Okay, because when you will increase temperature, again I am repeating, the equilibrium will shift in the forward direction, and because of that you will get more concentration of H plus, more concentration of OH minus. So the product will be what? Greater than 10 to the power minus 14. Okay, for the simplicity I am assuming that the product is, suppose this is what? At some temperature greater than 25 degrees Celsius, the product is what? 10 to the power minus 12, right? Okay, which is greater than 10 to the power minus 14, right? And you know that the concentration of H plus and the concentration of OH minus will be equal when you have only water, right? Because this water will give as much H plus as much what? OH minus. ये तो प्योर लॉजिकल है, राइट? ठीक है ना? तो अगर ऐसा है तो मैं बोल रहा हूं कि H plus concentration is equals to what? OH minus concentration. And if you assume it x, again do the same operation, x square equals to 10 to the power minus 12 and x will be what? 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, that means कि H plus का जो concentration है at some temperature which is what? Greater than 25 degrees Celsius, right? जब आपके पास pure water है, at that time H plus concentration will be what? 10 to the power minus 6. OH minus concentration will be what? 10 to the power minus 6. And because the concentration of H plus is equals to concentration of OH minus, we can say that it is a neutral solution, right? तो neutral solution का यहाँ जो pH है basically क्या हो जाएगा? Minus log of concentration of H plus, that is nothing but minus log of 10 to the power minus 6, and that value will what? Plus 6. Okay, so that means what? कि जब भी आप टेम्परेचर बढ़ाओगे तो न्यूट्रल सॉल्यूशन का जो pH है वो 7 से क्या होगा? कम होगा, राइट? जैसे जैसे आप टेम्परेचर बढ़ाओगे न्यूट्रल सॉल्यूशन का pH थोड़ा सा बढ़ाया, सपोज ये हो गया 6.8, थोड़ा सा और बढ़ाया, सपोज ये हो गया 6.5, सपोज थोड़ा और बढ़ाया, सपोज ये हो गया 6, राइट? सो न्यूट्रल सॉल्यूशन का जो pH है वो आपको क्या होगा? डिक्रीज होगा जब आप टेम्परेचर बढ़ाओगे. सो एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम where the temperature is T which is greater than 25 degrees Celsius, आपके न्यूट्रल सॉल्यूशन का जो pH है that pH is basically what? Your 6. इसका मतलब कि 6 से इस साइड के pH के सॉल्यूशन उस पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर पे क्या हो जाएंगे? आपके बेसिक हो जाएंगे, और 6 से कम वाले सॉल्यूशंस क्या हो जाएंगे? आपके एसिडिक हो जाएंगे, राइट? ठीक है. सो नाउ once we understood all these things, okay, now we will solve a particular question. So let's solve that particular question. The question is, at a temperature higher than 25 degrees Celsius, at a temperature T which is higher than 25 degrees Celsius, it is asking, will a solution of pH 6.5 be acidic always, right? क्या ऐसा होगा? अभी मैंने आपको बताया कि जैसे जैसे आप टेम्परेचर बढ़ाओगे Kw की वैल्यू बढ़ेगी और जो न्यूट्रल सॉल्यूशन का pH है वो क्या होगा, 7 से कम होगा, राइट. सो दैट मीन्स इफ वी हैव इंक्रीज टेम्परेचर, राइट, and this is what your 6.5. So at some point of time, if suppose the pH is what, 6.8, and this is the pH of neutral solution at some temperature which is greater than 25 degrees Celsius, that means in this case we can say that 6.5 is what, 6.5 6.8 के इस साइड में, तो मैं कह सकता हूं कि 6.5 यहां पे क्या है, एसिडिक है, राइट. बट सपोज if the neutral solution pH is what, 6, in that case 6.5 will become what, your basic solution. So whatever is written here, will a solution of pH equals to 6.5 be acidic always? No, because pH of neutral solution will decrease, right, and it will decrease because pH equals to 7 is the pH of neutral solution at temperature 25 degrees Celsius, and here we are increasing temperature, so जो neutral solution का pH है वो क्या होगा, कम होगा. But what about pH equals to 8.5? Because we know कि जो neutral solution का pH वो कम हो रहा है, मतलब 8.5 will be always right side of what, the pH of neutral solution. That means 8.5 will always be what, basic. ये बात समझ में आ रही है? So that means this is true, but this one, the statement A is not true. Let's take one simple example. One more aspect. Suppose if temperature is what, less than 25 degrees Celsius. Okay. In that case, what will happen? Suppose you have the same equation, H2O liquid, right? And that you can do, you know, easily, H plus aqueous and plus what? OH minus aqueous, right? Okay. And here if you see Kw, that is what your ionic product of water, that will be what, your H plus into concentration of OH minus. But here if you will see, this particular value will be what, less than 10 to the power minus 14, right? So that means here if you see, this particular value is what, let's see that this particular value is 10 to the power minus 16, which is less than 10 to the power minus 14. When you will calculate, because we know that again the concentration of H plus will be equals to concentration of OH minus, तो जब आप यहाँ पे calculate करोगे तो H plus का जो concentration है वो OH minus के equal आएगा, and that is what 10 to the power minus 8. From here you can see that pH equals to 8. इस pH पे जो आपका H plus का concentration है वो OH minus के equal है. That means this is the pH of what, neutral solution, which is greater than 7. So we can easily conclude that when you will increase temperature, pH of neutral solution will move in this direction. That means it will decrease. And when we will when we will decrease temperature, this is happening when we are what, increasing temperature. And when we will decrease temperature, the pH of neutral solution will what, increase. And using this information you can easily solve this particular question. So I hope this particular concept is clear to all of you, right? Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.